I'm Michael Scherp, and welcome to my presentation. So, as I said, I'm Michael Shervin. I'm an aspiring data analyst in the Thinkful program. And today I'll be discussing some models that were created in previous modules. It's using a bunch of human resources data of employees at a company with 1,000 employees. And it was an Excel document. And then what we did was we turned all the data into useful information, making a couple models that decision makers and HR people can use for a number of uses. And this presentation shows the models and a little rundown of them. And hope you enjoy it. All right, so how this particular model works. This is the employee dashboard, and it summarizes each employee's information. And then, as you can see, so this employee name has a drop-down list, and it has everyone in the company. So you can just pick whichever employee you want to have a look at. And it goes over compensation information and benchmark data. And it shows there's 3 different types of employee: account executive 1, 2, and 3, and each have different benchmark pay scales and all that. And this allows for all sorts of comparisons to be made. Wait, there's more. So there's also a graph in addition to the previous table that shows the information, as a visual aid. It helps kind of like get a better look at the information. It aids in the comparison. So it compares base salary, commission, and total pay to the benchmark. So for this particular example, you got account executive 2, and so the base salary benchmark is 65K, and he makes 50, about 51, rounded. And then the commission, he's at 91,438. Benchmark's 95. And then the total pay, he's around 142, and the benchmark's 160. So this person is, I guess, underperforming, or just, being paid less than the benchmark. So you can just, plug and play with each employee and see how they're racking and stacking. And the benefits of this: it's a great tool for HR professional to use to view compensation. And then additionally, management can use it to track performance through commission. This type of model is versatile and has many uses for everyone involved. And so here's an additional model. This model is more macro scale, where the previous one was micro scale. And this helps forecast certain strategies the company can go to stay in line with their 1 billion revenue goal. That's their main goal. So they're trying different strategies to see how each one will work. So the one is to assume just everything's as is, and just run the next year just by the books, and then modify. Strategy 2 would be to modify the pay with annual raises and take into account growth. And strategy 3 would be to add employees and see how that affects it. And you can plug and play the growth rate and annual raise amounts to get different results. So here's the results of like one of the models. And again, it's using strategy 1, 2, and 3 and 2018 numbers. So, and it gives you combines all the strategies. It also shows each one, how the bottom lines for each one. So this helps shareholders and stakeholders make certain decisions. It's a bit of a regression model, allows forecasts to be made. It creates a nice overlook of key company figures. So it gives you a macro scale perspective of everything involved. And it's a simple, it just helps, make good decisions. So that's a summary of basically everything I've learned so far at Thinkful, and it kind of encompasses all into a presentation. Thank you for taking the time to watch the presentation, and hope you have a great day.